Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we will be talking about how to create and manage a shared YouTube TV membership or family group. So before we begin, please do like and subscribe. So first, what is YouTube TV membership and family group? So YouTube TV membership and family group is one of YouTube feature that allows up to 5 family members of the same household to share one YouTube TV subscription with no extra cost. Now, how does it work? YouTube TV Family Group will have the following. First, a family manager, someone who creates the account and can invite family members to the family group, and the family member. Family members can build their own personal library of the content of YouTube TV. Now let's talk about creating a family group. So first, sign up to YouTube TV. Select Profile Picture, go to Settings and Family Sharing, select Manage, create a family group, agree to YouTube paid terms of service and Google privacy policy, select Next, and your family will get an email invitation. Then use Google account to sign in and you're done. Now let's talk about family group requirements. Family managers must be 18 or older and have a Google account, live in the United States, and not be part of another family group, not signed up with the G Suite account. On the other hand, family member requirements are 13 or older and have a Google account, live in the same household as the family manager, and not be a part of another family group. Now let's talk about managing a family group, how to add family members, how to remove family members, and how to delete family group. So adding family members, simply sign into YouTube TV, select your profile picture, go to Settings, Family Sharing, and then select Manage. Enter the email address or phone number of the person that you want to invite. Select Send, and you'll get an email notification when someone joins your family. Now, when removing family members, when you remove someone from your family group, the person you removed will lose access to YouTube TV, get an email letting them know that they've been removed, and other family group will also get a notification. So to remove someone from your family group, just simply sign into YouTube TV, select your profile picture, go to Settings, Family Sharing, and then select Manage. Click the family group member you want to remove and select Remove Member. Now let's talk about deleting family group. Just take note that if you delete your family group, you can only create or join another family group one more time in the next 12 months. So to remove your family group, just simply sign into YouTube TV, select your profile picture, go to Settings, and then go to Family Sharing. Next to Family Sharing, select Manage, and you will be redirected to g.co/yourfamily. In the top left corner, select Menu. Select Delete your family group. Enter your password, then select Confirm. Now let's talk about joining and leaving a family group. If the family manager with the YouTube TV membership has invited you to join the family group, you'll get an email invitation. Follow the instruction in the invitation to join the family group. So for this, to join the family group, you must be 13 or older and have a Google account. You can access your own library, recordings, and personalized recommendations. Your viewing preferences are your own. You can only be part of one family group at a time. You'll have to leave your family group if you want to join another family group. Google Apps for Business G Suite accounts are not eligible for family groups. Just take note though that when you leave a family group, you'll keep your Google account but will lose access to YouTube TV. Your preferences will be saved in case you restart later. So now, how to leave a family group. So first, sign into YouTube TV, select your profile picture, and then go to Settings, Family Sharing, and then next to Family Sharing, select Manage, and you'll be redirected to g.co/yourfamily. In the top left corner, select Menu. Select Leave your family group, and then enter your password and confirm. Your family manager will get an email notification that you have left the group. So now let's talk about location and simultaneous streaming. So for the location requirements, the family manager sets the home era. Each family member must primarily live in the same household, and family group member needs to periodically use YouTube TV in your home location to keep access. For simultaneous streaming, family group members can use YouTube TV on up to 3 separated devices at the same time. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.